Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Steam Deck OLED step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the Steam Deck OLED. Make sure you have all included components, the console, charger, and any documentation. Find a suitable workspace with a flat surface and good lighting. Plug in the charger to a power outlet. Connect the other end to the Steam Deck OLED. Press the power button to turn on the device. Wait for the initial boot process to complete. You will be greeted with the Steam Deck welcome screen. Select your preferred language using the on-screen options. Connect to your Wi-Fi network to proceed. Enter your Wi-Fi password and connect. Once connected, the Steam Deck will check for system updates. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install any available updates. After updates are installed, the system may restart. Once the system is ready, you will see the main menu. If you don't have a Steam account, you can create one from the menu. Log into your existing Steam account if you already have one. Navigate through the menu to customize your settings. Adjust your display, audio, and control preferences as needed. Explore the Steam library to download games. Install your preferred games by selecting them from the library. Allow the games to download and install completely. Once installation is complete, return to the main menu. Select a game to launch and enjoy. Familiarize yourself with the controls and settings as you play. Consider setting up cloud saves to keep your progress synchronized. Check out the Steam Deck community for tips and recommendations. Customize your Steam Deck further with additional software if desired. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.